wanted to document a lift failure here. So we're raising this Jeep up in the air and it started getting cattywampus, and we discovered this pulley came off and the cable is just loose in there. So this inner bushing came loose from the plastic pulley here. So we've glued that in an attempt to raise that side with a floor jack and see if we can get everything hooked back up. So I want to go into a little bit more detail on this lift failure. What had happened is this cable came loose because this pulley walked off of that shaft. And so there was a whole bunch of slack in this pulley that I guess synchronizes both hydraulic cylinders on each side. It lifted one side independent of the other, and the Jeep that we were working on obviously got a little bit crooked. And luckily my buddy that owns the Jeep had caught it before I did when I was raising it up in the air. And we stopped and realized, okay, one side is working and one side isn't. That's when we noticed this cable was completely loose and this pulley was laying down in there. So what had happened, if I can get this to focus, is that snap ring stayed on the shaft, but the bushing worked out of the center of this plastic pulley and fell off, and of course that's when we noticed we had a problem. In my eyes, that's kind of like a design flaw where the bushing is about the same size as the snap ring. So I reached out to my buddy that sold me this lift and installed it, and he sent me this updated pulley where the bushing itself is a smaller or a narrower diameter or thickness. So by design, the snap ring will ride against the bushing and the shoulder of the plastic pulley. So that should eliminate the issue from here on out. But I just wanted to point that out as a safety thing with you guys working underneath lifts, is to pay attention to all the moving parts and make sure everything's up to snuff before you crawl underneath one of these vehicles, because this could have ended badly. Luckily there was no damage to the lift or the vehicle or us working on it. This is just something I wanted to point out so someone along the way could benefit from this and save themselves some heartache of dropping a vehicle off the lift or injuring themselves or somebody else. So like I said, I hope this helps somebody out, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.